Nina from Easy Living Furniture, and this is the Lupin Outdoor Tea Set. The Lupin set features 2 armchairs and a table. The Lupin set has a durable aluminium frame. The frame is then topped with resin wicker, which is beige in colour. Resin wicker is incredibly durable and requires no maintenance. The Lupin set is small in size, but it's very on trend and practical. 2 rounded armchairs make for a comfortable seating arrangement that enables you to relax outdoors with a glass of wine or a coffee. The chairs in the Lupin range feature weather-resistant seat cushions, which are beige in colour and add a lovely contrast to the wicker. The table is topped with a sheet of scratch and heat-resistant tempered glass for extra protection. Perfect for balconies and any smaller outdoor areas, the Lupin range partners contemporary design with comfort. Transform your garden today by adding to cart now, or you can pop into one of our stores.